Hey everyone, welcome back to Calm English Co. I'm Tom.
And I'm Lucy. And today, oh man, today's topic is one of my favorites.
Let me guess. Food?
Yes, but not just food. We're talking about how to order food in English, like at a restaurant.
Right, because here's the thing. I once went to a restaurant in New York, super hungry, right? And I sat there for 20 minutes, just staring at the menu.
Wait, why? You couldn't read it?
No, I could read it, but I didn't know how to order. Like, what do I say first? Do I say, I want? Do I say, give me? Do I wait for the waiter to speak first?
Oh, that's actually really common. A lot of learners freeze up at restaurants.
Exactly. So today, we're fixing that. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when you walk into a restaurant, when you order, when you have a problem, everything.
And we'll practice together. So grab your headphones, get comfy, and let's dive in.
Let's go.
Okay, so Tom, why do you think ordering food is scary for English learners?
Hmm. Well, I think there are a few reasons. First, you're hungry.
That's true. When you're hungry, your brain doesn't work as well.
Right? Like, I can't think clearly when I'm starving, so trying to speak English when I'm already stressed about food? That's hard.
Yeah. Second reason, restaurants are fast.
Oh, absolutely. The waiter comes over, says, "Are you ready to order?" And you have like 3 seconds to respond.
Exactly. There's no time to translate in your head. You have to speak immediately.
And third reason? There are so many options.
Yes, like, do you want fries or salad? What dressing? What size? Medium or large? It's a lot of questions.
And if you don't understand one question, you panic. You just say yes to everything.
And then you get something you didn't want.
Exactly. So today, we're going to practice the most common restaurant phrases, and we'll do it slowly, step by step.
Perfect. Let's start with walking into the restaurant.
Oh, before we start, I have to tell you a quick story.
Uh-oh.
So last year, I went to a fancy restaurant for a date, and the waiter asked, "How would you like your steak cooked?" And I panicked. I said, "Yes, please."
No, you said yes, please to how would you like it cooked?
I know. The waiter looked so confused. He said, "Sir, medium? Rare? Well done?" And I just said, the good one?
Oh my gosh. What happened?
He brought me a well-done steak. It was like shoe leather, but I ate it because I was too embarrassed to say anything.
Okay, we are definitely covering how do you like your steak today.
Please, save future me.
All right, so you walk into a restaurant. What's the first thing that happens?
Usually, someone greets you at the door, like a host or hostess.
Right, and they'll say, how many in your party?
Let's repeat that. How many in your party?
How many in your party?
Now, party here doesn't mean a celebration. It just means group of people.
Exactly. So if you're alone, you say, just one.
If you're with a friend, you say, "Two, please."
If you're with your family, maybe you say, four, please, or five, please.
Easy, right? Let's practice. Lucy, you're the hostess.
Okay. Hi, welcome to the Olive Garden. How many in your party?
2, please.
Great. Right this way. Okay, now you try. I'll be the host again. Ready?
Imagine you're with one friend. You're a group of 2. Here we go.
Hi, welcome to Cheesecake Factory. How many in your party?
Perfect. You said 2, please. Or maybe just 2. Both are great.
Now, sometimes they'll ask, do you have a reservation?
Ah, yes. A reservation is when you call ahead and save a table.
If you have one, you say, yes, under, for example, yes, under Lucy.
If you don't have one, you say, no, I don't. Is there a wait?
Is there a wait? Means, do I have to wait for a table?
And they might say, yes, about 15 minutes. Or, no, we have a table ready.
Okay, let's practice that. Tom, ask me about a reservation.
Hi, do you have a reservation?
Yes, under Lucy.
Perfect. Follow me. Easy. Now, what if you don't have a reservation? Lucy, try.
Hi, do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Is there a wait?
About 20 minutes. Can I get your name?
Sure, it's Tom.
Great. So now you know how to enter a restaurant. You say how many people and if you have a reservation.
Next step, sitting down and looking at the menu.
Okay, you're at the table. The waiter gives you a menu. What do you do?
Well, first, you read the menu. But sometimes the menu is confusing.
Oh, absolutely. Like, what's the difference between grilled and fried?
Or, what does side dish mean?
Exactly. So it's okay to ask questions. In fact, waiters want you to ask questions.
Right. So, here are some common questions you can ask.
Number 1, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend? Let's repeat. What do you recommend?
This is a great question because the waiter will suggest the most popular dishes.
Number 2. What's in this dish?
What's in this dish? For example, what's in the Caesar salad?
And the waiter might say, it has lettuce, croutons, Parmesan cheese, and Caesar dressing.
Perfect. Number 3, is this spicy?
Is this spicy? This is important if you don't like spicy food.
Yeah. Or you can ask, is this vegetarian? If you don't eat meat.
Or, does this have nuts if you have allergies?
Great questions. Now, let's practice. I'll be the waiter. You ask me a question. Ready?
Okay, imagine you want to know what's in the chicken pasta. Ask the waiter.
Are you ready to order?
You might have said, what's in the chicken pasta? Perfect.
It has grilled chicken, penne pasta, tomato sauce, and Parmesan cheese.
That sounds great. I'll have that.
See? Easy. Don't be afraid to ask questions.
Oh, Lucy, do you remember the time you ordered a salad and got a dessert?
Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so I was at a restaurant in Texas and I wanted a Cobb salad, right?
Right.
But my accent was a little off, and I said, can I have a cobbler instead of Cobb salad?
A cobbler. That's a dessert.
I know. So the waiter brought me a peach cobbler with ice cream. and I was so confused.
Did you eat it?
I mean, it was delicious, so yes.
So the lesson here is speak clearly, and if you're not sure, ask the waiter to repeat.
Exactly. Can you say that again? Is a lifesaver. All right, you've looked at the menu. You know what you want. The waiter comes over. What do you say?
The most common phrase is, I'll have,
I'll have. Let's repeat. I'll have the burger.
I'll have the pasta.
I'll have the grilled salmon.
Easy, right? I'll have is polite and natural.
Now, you can also say, Can I get,
Can I get the pizza?
can I get the steak?
Both are fine. I'll have and can I get are the two most common ways to order.
Now, sometimes the waiter will ask follow-up questions, like, How would you like that cooked?
Ah, yes, this is for meat, like steak or burgers.
Your options are rare, medium, medium well, or well done.
Rare means very pink inside, lots of juice.
Medium means some pink, but mostly cooked.
Well done means no pink, fully cooked.
Most people order medium or medium well.
So if the waiter asks, how would you like your steak? You can say, medium, please.
Let's practice. I'll be the waiter again.
You want a burger, cooked medium. Here we go.
What can I get for you?
You said, I'll have the burger, please.
Great. How would you like that cooked?
Medium, please. Perfect.
Now, the waiter might also ask, What would you like as a side?
A side is a small dish that comes with your main dish, like fries, salad, or rice.
So you can say, I'll have fries, please. Or, Can I get a salad instead?
And if you want to change something, you can say, can I get that without onions?
Can I get that without onions? Or, Can I get extra cheese?
These are super useful phrases.
Okay, your food arrives. You start eating. But then, you need something.
Like maybe you need more water, or ketchup, or a napkin.
Right. How do you ask?
You can say, excuse me, can I get some water?
Excuse me, can I get more napkins?
Excuse me, can I have some ketchup, please?
See? Just start with excuse me to get the waiter's attention. Then say what you need.
Now, what if there's a problem, like your food is cold or it's not what you ordered?
Great question. First, stay calm. It's okay to ask for help.
You can say, excuse me, I think there's a problem.
Or, I'm sorry, but this isn't what I ordered.
I ordered the chicken, but I got the fish.
And the waiter will say, Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me fix that.
They'll bring you the correct dish. No big deal.
And if your food is cold, you can say, This is a little cold. Can you warm it up?
Polite, clear, and simple.
Oh, I have another story.
Of course you do.
Okay, so one time I ordered a medium steak, but I said medium with a weird accent, so the waiter thought I said rare.
Oh no.
Yeah, so he brought me a steak that was basically raw.
What did you do?
I said, Excuse me, this is too rare. Can you cook it a bit more?
And?
He was super nice. He said, of course, and brought me a perfect medium steak 5 minutes later.
See? It's okay to ask for changes. Waiters want you to enjoy your meal.
All right, you finished your meal. Now it's time to pay.
In most restaurants, the waiter will bring you a check. That's the bill.
You can also ask for it. You say, can I have the check, please?
Can I have the check, please? Or, can we get the bill?
Both are great. Now, sometimes you're with a friend and you want to split the bill.
You can say, can we split this?
Can we split the check? Or, can we pay separately?
And the waiter will say, sure, and bring you 2 separate checks.
Easy. Now, when you pay, you can pay with cash or card.
If you're paying with a card, you just give it to the waiter. They'll bring it back with a receipt.
And in the US, don't forget to tip. Usually 15 to 20% of the bill.
If your meal was $50, a good tip is $10.
In other countries, tipping isn't as common, so check the culture.
Okay, before we finish, let's talk about common mistakes.
Number 1, saying I want instead of I'll have.
I want sounds a little rude in English. I'll have is more polite.
Number 2, not asking questions.
If you don't understand something on the menu, ask. It's okay.
Number 3, forgetting to say please and thank you.
These little words make a big difference. Waiters appreciate polite customers.
And number 4, panicking when the waiter asks a question.
Just take a breath. If you don't understand, say, can you repeat that, please?
Perfect. Okay, we covered so much today.
All right, let's recap. Today, you learned how to
Enter a restaurant and ask for a table.
read the menu and ask questions.
Order your food politely.
Ask for extra items during your meal.
And pay the bill.
So your challenge today is go to a restaurant or even a cafe and practice ordering something in English.
It can be as simple as, I'll have a coffee, please. Just practice.
And hey, if you make a mistake, that's okay. You're learning. We're proud of you.
Next episode, Wednesday at 4 p.m.
We're talking about phone calls in English.
Yeah, how to answer the phone, leave a voicemail, and not panic when someone calls you.
It's going to be super helpful, so subscribe if you haven't already.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Take care.
Bye!